Welcome back, homeowners. Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom remodeling. Bathrooms, often overlooked spaces in homes, are in fact some of the most important and functional areas that greatly impact our daily lives. Beyond their utilitarian purposes, bathrooms have evolved to become spaces of relaxation, rejuvenation, and personal expression. Here's a closer look at the significance of bathrooms. Function and utility. The primary purpose of a bathroom is to provide a space for personal hygiene activities such as bathing, grooming, and using the toilet. Bathrooms are equipped with essential fixtures like toilets, sinks, showers or tubs, and storage for toiletries and towels. Personal retreat. Bathrooms have transformed into personal retreats where people can unwind and find solace. Luxurious features like whirlpool tubs, rainfall showers, and heated floors turn bathrooms into havens of relaxation and escape from the daily hustle. Design and aesthetics. Bathroom design has come a long way, with various styles and themes available to suit individual preferences. From sleek, modern bathrooms with clean lines and minimalistic designs to classic, ornate ones with intricate details, the aesthetics of a bathroom can reflect the overall style of the home and the homeowner's personality. Health and well-being. Bathrooms contribute to health and well-being by facilitating cleanliness and sanitation. Proper ventilation, good lighting, and appropriate storage solutions are essential for maintaining a hygienic environment and preventing the growth of mold and bacteria. Increased home value. Well-designed and updated bathrooms can significantly increase a home's value. Potential buyers often prioritize bathrooms when evaluating a property, making bathroom renovations a wise investment for homeowners. Energy efficiency. With the growing emphasis on sustainability, bathrooms are being designed with energy-efficient fixtures and technologies. Low-flow toilets, water-saving faucets, and LED lighting not only help conserve resources but also reduce utility bills. Personalization. Bathrooms offer a canvas for personalization. Color schemes, tile patterns, fixtures, and decor can be chosen to create a space that resonates with the individual's taste and lifestyle. Functional spaces. Bathrooms are no longer limited to their basic functions. Many homes incorporate additional features like makeup stations, dressing areas, or even mini gyms into their bathroom designs. Nothing can elevate the value and comfort of your home like a modern, functional bathroom. But where do you start? Don't worry, we've got you covered with this ultimate guide. Let's get started. Picture this: an old, dysfunctional bathroom that's seen better days. Not very appealing, right? A clean, modern bathroom, on the other hand, communicates elegance, comfort, and adds to your home's value. Bathroom renovations aren't just about aesthetics, they're an investment that pays off. Planning a bathroom renovation on your own can be overwhelming. That's where contractors for bathroom remodeling come in. They bring expertise, efficiency, and save you from hassles. If you're new to this, our beginner's guide can help you start off on the right foot. To make things easier, we've put together a comprehensive checklist that includes the average cost of bathroom remodeling. This will give you a clear idea of what to expect financially. And remember, a well-planned renovation saves you time and headaches down the line. Now, let's break down some key improvements and their costs. First up, new faucet installation. Upgrading those rusty faucets can transform the flow of your bathroom. On average, contractors charge around $950 for this upgrade. Need a new shower? Contractors can help you lay a new floor, install tiles, and set up all the fixtures you need. A new shower installation may cost you around $3,250. Installing a bathroom sink isn't as simple as it sounds. It involves specialized equipment and materials. Depending on your requirements, you might be looking at a cost of up to $1,600. Tiles play a significant role in bathroom aesthetics. The type of tile and the size of the floor determine the cost. From porcelain to granite, the choices are vast. Tile installation could start at $7,000, depending on your preferences. If you're looking to replace or install a toilet, hiring a skilled professional is crucial. This task requires precision to prevent water leaks or sewage backup. The cost of a toilet installation can go up to $1,200. For a complete transformation, a full bathroom renovation might be the way to go. This involves creating an entirely new bathroom or converting a half bath. Depending on the size and complexity, this could cost you around $45,000 or more. The size of your project and the tasks involved play a role in determining the average cost of bathroom remodeling. Partial or complete renovations, the number of tasks, and the size of your bathroom all influence the final price. Finally, let's walk through the steps for a successful bathroom remodeling project. Create a to-do list. Clean and demolish the old. Repair or install ceiling, drywall, and flooring. Install electrical, furniture, and plumbing fixtures. Add those finishing touches. As you can see, bathroom remodeling is an art and a science. By following these steps and considering the average cost of bathroom remodeling, you'll be well on your way to creating a beautiful, valuable bathroom. Remember, whether it's a simple update or a complete transformation, hiring the right contractors can make all the difference. Until next time, happy renovating!